Today I'm going to tell you what passive income sources are, so stay tuned. What is passive income? Passive income is income that you can earn while you sleep. There are tons of different ways to earn passive income. Today I'm going to give you 5 passive income sources you can use to replace your own traditional income. Number 1, selling information products. If you can create an ebook or an audiobook or some kind of course, you can sell that to people in your niche. Tons of people these days are learning online. Every person has some skill that they can share with the world and that you can teach. It takes a lot of effort to create the hosting, the course material, and to be able to set up a good payment system, but then once you have it all set up, you'll be making tons of money. All you do is drive traffic to sell your course, and then the rest is history. Your course will teach them all the things they need to know, and you can have upsells within your course for more content. As customers purchase more content, you'll make more money from a single customer, and the lifetime value of the customer will be very high. Don't just make one product with no upsells. Make products that can have multiple upsells and that you can integrate multiple different courses within them. This is the same for ebooks or audiobooks. Make complementary books that go with those books that they can buy afterwards. Number 2, rental income. Investing in rental properties is a great way to make passive income. Before you jump into rental properties, you have to know that it's a lot of work. You need to know what you want as a return on investment. You need to know all the total costs and expenses that go with the rental property, for maintenance, building, etc. And you need to know the financial risks of owning the property. You also have to think about the tenant that you're going to allow to stay there. If the tenant isn't going to make payments on time and isn't going to take care of the place, your property is going to end up going down in value, and it's going to take a lot of work just to maintain it and to make money. Make sure you do your research up front before you just jump into having a rental property. This way you'll avoid all the pitfalls that come with it. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product, whether it's a course, a book, or just a tangible product, and then you sell it by promoting on social media or doing email marketing and having your own website, your sales funnel, etc. You drive traffic to their sales page and they give you a percentage of that product's commission. Affiliate marketing is a great source of passive income. You have to be able to drive quality traffic to your social media pages, your YouTube, and you need to be able to target your ads correctly. You also need to be able to write good copy so people will want to open your emails and click on your links. Once you get people clicking on your links that are willing to buy, that is when you can make a lot of money, because then once that system's set up, you can start paying an ad revenue to scale it. Then you really don't have to adjust the system all that much. You just make little tweaks here and there. If you're just starting out, it does take a while to create content and get traffic, especially if you're trying to do YouTube or you're trying to work on a platform that's saturated and you don't have an ad budget. It's still a great way to make passive income. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer loan is a loan made between you and a borrower. It's typically facilitated through sites like prosper.com and lendingclub.com. You can make money on interest payments on the loans. However, since the loan is unsecured, you might run the risk of somebody defaulting on that loan. It's a good idea to diversify your portfolio so you're not investing in one loan, just in case that person defaults on that loan and you don't have other options. You should never have just one income stream. You should look at historical data of borrowers before you jump into doing peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to make money. However, it's not entirely passive. If you have multiple loans with a diverse portfolio, you need to make sure people are making payments between those different loans, and you need to make sure people aren't defaulting on those loans. You want to take your interest and reinvest it in order to make money, and then it will scale over time. Number 5, dividend stocks. You can make money over time with dividend stocks if you buy shares of a company's stock, and then that company's doing good over time. Companies pay dividends quarterly. This is based on the profits they make. The more shares you own of more stocks, the more money you will get back. Since all you have to do is buy a stock and then watch somebody else grow it for you, it really isn't a ton of work, so it's very passive. Once you buy the stock, you have it, and you don't really have to change anything, and the company just will pay you dividends from their profits. However, sometimes the economy struggles, or it goes through a crisis in which you have to pull out funds from your stocks, and that's when you would have to put in a lot more effort. Just be wary of those scenarios as they come up every once in a while. You need to check historical data before jumping into dividend stocks. You don't want to jump into investing with a company that's not very consistent or reliable. That is how you'll lose money. There are tons of different passive income ideas. I hope some of these passive income methods will help you to start investing your money and start making money. If you want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online with passive income, then click the link in my description. I'll outline it for you. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.